How to find phone contacts on a Snapchat. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. To firstly you have to what you have to do is you have to click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the settings in the top right corner. After that you have to scroll down and then you have to find the contact syncing. So in the privacy tab you can see the contact syncing. You have to click on the contact syncing, and if you are unchecked if you there is the box is unchecked, then what you have to do is you have to you can see the sync contacts. You have to check the box. So what you have to do is you have to click on this box, and when you click on this, then it will fills with this tick mark and this color, green like color. Then it means that you have synced the contacts. So you have to click on this and then you have to fill with these contacts. So that's it. And after that what you have to do is you have to, when you again go back to your chat sections, you have to scroll down and then click on the add friends. When you click on the add friends, in the search bar you can see the Snapchat icon in the top right corner. Under the Snapchat icon you can see the all contacts. You have to click on the all contacts. When you click on the all contacts, you can see all the friends on the contacts, all the contacts of your people which is on the Snapchat. You can add them here. You can see all my contacts. You can add them by clicking on this add button, and then so that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.